What's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ale and today we are taking a look at the Intuition Compressor by AIXDSP. Setting a compressor is an art, and for a long time even the pros needed time to be able to do this. It's just difficult to hear what the compressor is actually doing, right? So how are you supposed to be able to adjust it to get the right settings? The long answer: many frustrating years of practice. And that's not even a guarantee because there is no one-size-fits-all, attack or release, so you still need to experiment and figure out what the compressor is doing. And so, instead of guessing, see exactly what is happening. The Intuition Compressor takes all this wasted time and guesswork out of the equation. How? Well, just look at the interface. Everything is there for you to see so that you can make the proper decisions. You can understand exactly when your release curve starts, how long your compressor stays open, and how fast it reacts. If you like this video and this type of content, please feel free to leave a like and comment on anything you see or hear. And if you also want to see more of this stuff like plugin reviews, gear demos and other music production tutorials, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. It's totally free and it means a lot to me. And now, without further ado, let's see some of my presets. You can feel free to follow along and recreate them on your own, but you can also find the bigger and more complete template pack available now from my website. Just follow the link in the description below. guys, this is all for today. If you liked this video and this type of content, please feel free to leave a like and comment on anything you saw or heard. And if you also want to see more of this stuff like plugin reviews, gear demos and other music production tutorials, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. It's totally free and it means a lot to me. I want to give a big thank you to AIXDSP for giving me the chance to test their amazing products. You can try and buy all their plugins directly from the link in the description below. Keep in mind, these are affiliate links, so I may earn a small commission. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you in the next video.